What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I am super excited because we're doing a Dollar Tree haul. I went to my Dollar Tree yesterday and it was literally popping off. Like, I was like, oh my goodness. My Dollar Tree is normally pretty good, but there was so many good and so many new things. So yeah, I was really excited. They just had so much new stuff, specifically in beauty too. Like, there was so many new like makeup and beauty products that I was just like, whoa. Okay, so we're gonna do a haul today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you love Dollar Tree like me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so we're gonna jump into the first bag right now. You'll see that I bought a ton of makeup because, like I said, they had so many new things. So I'm actually going to do a full face of like Dollar Tree makeup, like testing all of these products. So you guys will probably see that maybe in like 2 weeks or so, because I have some other videos I want to film as well. But I bought all this stuff. I'll show it to you guys, and then I will test it out as well in like a full makeup tutorial. But first thing I saw was this little palette from LA Colors. It's like a cute little neutral palette. The shadows are tiny, but you get 15 different shades. So I was like, dang. And it does fold down like this. It's just kind of how the packaging is. And it's like this snake skin like packaging. I was like, oh, that's cute. And I actually really like LA Colors. Like, they make some good products and they're obviously super affordable. Everything that I got was $1. My Dollar Tree hasn't changed to having stuff that's above $1. So yeah, it's still, everything is $1 over there. So all this stuff was that price. Okay, also got this Iony liquid eyeliner. I actually had somebody DM me on Instagram and they told me they were like, the liquid liner from Iony at Dollar Tree is so good. It is like incredible. So I saw it and I snagged it. It was like in the Valentine's Day section, actually, kind of as like a gift, in like this like gift section, but super, super cute. So really excited to try this out. So I snagged it, of course. And then also from them, I grabbed this face highlighter and a bronzer. So it looks like it's kind of like a goldeny kind of shimmer. So I think it can be used as a bronzer or a highlighter. So I grabbed this also from Iony in the same little section. Next, I saw this little set. So this was also in the like gift section, but this is a 2-pack of hand creams, which I thought was really nice. My hands have been so stinking dry. So I did buy this for myself, but it's a cute little set. Like, you could totally give this to your friend or something as a gift. You get 2 different hand creams. One is rose and vanilla and one is coconut milk scented. So you know what? Let's just try them out. Might as well, because my hands have seriously just been so dry. It is a problem. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, they're like literally scaly. All right, let's put some of this on. This one is the rose and vanilla one. Ooh, it actually smells really, really nice. And it feels nice and moisturizing and like thick. It smells nice. It feels good. For $1, I would say it's a good product, and melted into my skin nice and easy. So I like that. Okay, next, I'm upset because I kind of just saw that this is like busted open here. Didn't see that when I bought it. Hopefully that just happened in the bag and I didn't buy one that like was open. But anyways, this was a facial massager. I don't know, I thought that was like sounded cool. I don't really have anything like this, so let's see. I think I'm gonna have to probably put batteries in this for it to work though. Okay, yeah, you do have to put batteries in here. Let's see, what kind? We gotta test it out and see, you know, if it actually works. Okay, I think it's just one battery. All right, let's try this thing out. Okay, got the battery in there. Okay, turned it on. I mean, I feel like it does feel nice, and I feel like if obviously I have a full face of makeup on right now, but if you were like putting on your skincare, maybe like a serum, and you use this to like infuse it into the skin and kind of give yourself like a little facial massage, like it does feel nice and it works. So, ooh, or like on the under eyes, I feel like that would feel really nice, like in the morning to like invigorate them. That actually feels good. Wake them up a little bit. All right, pretty cool. For $1, I feel like it's a cool little gadget. Okay, up next, I grabbed this little makeup brush set. How cute are these? I love tiny little brushes like this. I feel like I have so many brushes, you guys know that. But brushes that I don't have are little small ones. And sometimes you need those little detail brushes like to do your inner corner or beneath your brow, like any area where you need to do detail work. So I saw this little set where you've got 4 different smaller brushes, which I thought would be great. It comes like a liner brush, an angled brush, a small little detail brush, and then a flat shader. They're all small though, so you could definitely use all of them just as detail, but I thought this was really cute, and they have little like silver rhinestone handles, so for $1, I thought it was a good deal. Then since I decided while I was there, I was like, okay, I want to do a full face of Dollar Tree makeup, I grabbed this LA Colors blush, just like a bright kind of pink blush, and then I also grabbed this mascara. I'm not sure what the brand on this is. I don't think it's Iony, but it was like also in that little gift set, so this would be a cute little gift for somebody or to try out for yourself, and it just says like hello beautiful on it, so I grabbed that. Okay, moving to a few products that are not makeup. I grabbed these fuzzy socks. Let me just tell you, the fuzzy like cozy socks like this at Dollar Tree are so soft. Like, these are literally like, I don't want to say barefoot dreams because that's like, you know, bougie, but I have a faux barefoot dreams blanket That's so soft. And these honestly feel like that. Like they're really, really soft and cute. So I got these pink ones. I love to use these. I'll put like lotion or something on my feet, especially because my skin can just get so dry in the winter. And then I'll put these on and kind of lock the moisture in, and it works really well. They're super soft and cozy. So love these. They came in a bunch of different colors as well. I just went with the pink ones. I also grabbed right in that same section, they had beanies. These are newer, I believe. I want so badly to be one of those cute beanie girls, but I don't look that great in hats, so I don't like to spend a lot of money on them because I wear them sometimes and then I never really wear them again. But I was like, okay, for $1, this one's cute. It's like black with silver detailing, but it does have like fleece on the inside. So this is actually like gonna keep you warm above being just like a fashion beanie. So let's see it together, what this looks like on my head. Don't laugh at me, guys. Oh my goodness, already I'm like, no. No, 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 no. I feel like I have to like learn, no. Why am I not a beanie person? Like I just can't. I mean, my hair's a little parted to the sides today. I feel like I kind of need my hair to be parted in the middle. I'm just gonna take this off for now. I'll try and style this when my hair is in a better like style for it. If not, I will give it to one of my friends because maybe I'm just not meant for the beanie life, you know, but I grabbed it anyways. Also, 2 more things that I grabbed from Iony. I got this brow gel, which like, again, they had so many things. And then I also grabbed this lighter highlight. So I showed you guys the more golden one that I grabbed, and then I also got this lighter one because I wasn't sure shade-wise. Obviously, there is not testers at Dollar Tree, so it can be hard to tell, but grabbed both of these, and they were both newer. Up next, I thought these were so cute. We always run out of these. Like, there must be a black hole in my house that has the little chip clamp things because I can never find them. Like I don't know where the heck they go. So yeah, we were running low on them, like these little clips that you can use to put on bags of food and stuff. So I grabbed this little set. I thought they were cute with the little dogs. So I grabbed that. It was like in the kitchen section. I also got this little microfiber little screen cleaner. I thought this was really cute because I think you can like put your fingers, like your hand inside of it. I always need for like my electronics a screen cleaner, like for my camera to clean the lens, my computer, my phone, like whatever it is. So it's just like a little microfiber cloth and you can put your hand right in it. Looks like a little, is that a duck or is it a chicken? Why do I not know the difference? I don't know. And you can just use it to like clean your screen on your electronics. So I thought that was cute. Next, I grabbed this. This is from the brand Global Beauty Care. I feel like I had seen this brand somewhere else that wasn't Dollar Tree. Like maybe at my local drugstore or something. I wasn't sure, but I knew I had recognized the brand before, and they have this collagen hydrogel lip mask. So I was like, oh, that's really cute. So I decided to grab it and I wanted to test the brand out as well. So it's just like a little collagen mask that you can put on your lips. I think you just put it on and leave it on. Yeah, it says 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, I thought that was cute. My lips have been pretty dry, so figured I would try it out. Okay, up next, when I saw this in the beauty section, I was shook. They had Milani, which is the first time I have ever seen Milani in my Dollar Tree. So I grabbed this. This is their Radiant Powder. I don't think I ever even like have tried this product outside of even seeing it at Dollar Tree. It's like supposed to be a powder, but like a radiant one. So similar to like e.l.f. has the Halo Glow Powder, or I know Laura Mercier has like a loose powder that's supposed to set your makeup while also giving you a glow. So they had the Milani one there, and they had it in a bunch of different shades. So I got shade 4. I hope that's a good one, but it looks like it should be a good match. So I'm definitely gonna test this out. I was really, really excited. They also had the Milani Conceal and Define Stick Foundation, but unfortunately it didn't have a shade that would work for me in that, so I didn't get it, but they did have that too. And then they also had a lot of the Maybelline Superstay Stick Foundations, which I was surprised to see there because I feel like a lot of people like this, and a lot of times at Dollar Tree, you see things maybe that have been discontinued or something, so maybe this was discontinued, I'm not sure. This, they also did not have in a shade that would work for all over my complexion, but I decided to get it in this shade, which was Warm Coconut, because I thought that this could work as a cream contour. So I wanted to test it out as that. I like Maybelline. I remember trying this and thinking that I liked it. So yeah, I figured I would use it as a cream contour. So I was really surprised to see them having that as well. I think that's the first time I ever saw Maybelline also at Dollar Tree. Okay, up next, this is so random, but this is like my guilty pleasure. Oh my goodness. So they had this huge display of like Valentine's Day candy, which was mostly like chocolate kind of stuff. I'm like, that doesn't really like get me going, you know? So I walked past it, I stayed strong, and then they had an area of Easter candy, and that's where I fell into it. I love Peeps. Say what you want. I know some people think they're like gross. I love marshmallows, love Peeps, and these two are my favorite. The cotton candy and then the party cake. So good. This one's like cake batter flavored, obviously cotton candy flavored. They're delicious. So I grabbed 2 of them. There's 5 in here, so I was like, all right, it's not that bad. My husband likes them too, so I'm like, all right, we can split them. But yeah, they had tons of Easter candy, tons of Valentine's Day candy. So especially like if you have kids and you're like creating a basket for them or something, great place to go because they had so many different options. But I stayed strong through the Valentine's Day chocolates, and the peeps, they got me. They're good. Okay, also from Iony, they had a face primer, which I picked up. Like all this kind of stuff that Dollar Tree used to never have. Like I remember back in the day, they didn't have primer or anything like that. They had like maybe a foundation, maybe a concealer, and it was always in like one shade. We have so many new things now. So yeah, grabbed a primer, also grabbed a pair of Iony lashes. This is where I know the brand from. I had never tried any other makeup products from them outside of their lashes. They make really cool, they're faux mink lashes, but like look at how thick these lashes look. Like they look like a lash that you would see like at Sephora or something, like a lily lash, and they're literally $1. I have had some misses with them. Sometimes they're not exactly the same and they look weird on the eyes, but I like inspected these ones and they looked pretty much the same to me. So I thought that these would work. So really great place to get false lashes that are actually really, really nice. I also grabbed this LA Colors Matte Lips Lipstick. This looked beautiful. Like look at this shade. It's actually really similar to my top. Look like a beautiful nude shade. It says that it's new. The shade is Keeper. So it's like a matte nude lipstick. So I definitely want to try this when I test out all of the makeup, but I thought that it looked really, really nice. You know what? I'll do a little, I'll do a swatch of it. I won't put it on my lips, but I'll swatch it on my hand so you guys can see what the shade is like. There was only one of these. So I snagged up the last one. Like there was only one left. So let's see. This is what the packaging looks like. Lipstick looks like. Ooh, it's scented. It smells like vanilla-y. Oh my goodness. Oh, so pretty. Okay, this is totally a color that I would wear. Beautiful, kind of deeper nude shade. Oh, okay, I'm very excited to test this out when I do like the full face of Dollar Tree makeup. That's so pretty. $1. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, now moving on to our last bag. Oh, I saw a paper towel in here and I'm like, what is that? And then I realized that like the kind employee at Dollar Tree, they didn't have any like tissue paper left and I got this glass and so she wrapped it with a paper towel. But yeah, you know what? She was innovative. We used the paper towel instead to protect because I probably would have broken this by now. So I grabbed this. I thought this was really cute. It says, this is my wedding planning glass. It's just like a little stemless wine glass. One of my best friends recently got engaged. So I ordered her a bunch of stuff to make like a cute little like just engaged like box, like as a celebratory thing. So I saw this when I was in Dollar Tree. So I was like, oh, that's cute. I didn't have a wine glass out of the stuff that I had ordered. So I grabbed this to put in there for her because I thought it was really cute. They also had a lot of stuff for like bachelorette parties too. So I remember like during my bachelorette party, it was expensive. I ordered these glasses from like Etsy that were like really expensive, like for the bridal party that had something to do with like the bachelorette. And they had like so many options at Dollar Tree. So if you're a bride, go check it out and see what they have because they really do have some cute stuff and like their glassware. I mean, like, this is real glass. It's not like it's like plastic or anything like that. So yeah, I thought this was cute just to add to the little gift box I'm giving her. And then last but certainly not least, I got this, which I'm so excited about. So all of my brushes go in these containers, which I also got from Dollar Tree like years ago. I literally have like 20 of these. They're glass also, and I put my brushes in them. And I put a lot of my beauty blenders in them too, but I saw this. You know what? I feel like the blenders, these ones have to be clean, but I'll put them in here anyways. I was like, I feel like this is bigger and can hold more, and I could just put this instead of having like multiples of these for my blenders, if that kind of makes sense. So it has a picture of like gumballs, like I guess that's what it's supposed to be used for, but I'm using it for my beauty blenders. You could use it for whatever though. They had them in a couple different colors. They had a clear, I think like green, but I loved the pink, so I just grabbed the pink. Let's add these and see. Here's another thing of blenders, and they probably both will all fit in here. Ooh, there's one going, but yeah, this definitely can hold more, so I think it's a better option for my beauty blender. So cute little idea, or you can put, you know, food, whatever you want in it. This one isn't glass, it's like a plastic. It seems sturdy though, like it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. So yeah, that is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul. Look out for a video testing the products as well. I'll definitely have it up by the end of the month. I just have a few other videos that I've already filmed that will probably go up before then, but thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.